Hello friends, this is Marine Drive in Mumbai. Beside the seashore, big stones are kept by the government so that the sea will not come to the land or the city. But people go there in the rocks, but it is dangerous. So the police sometimes hit them in the leg as a punishment, just to show them that they should not get on. But still, every day people are going down for fun. If they stuck up somewhere in the rocks, they may land in problem. It may be difficult to get them out from there. So police are chasing them away from the stones. This is in Marine Drive, Marine Drive in Mumbai, the famous tourist place